How to make $550 per day with Google's free project management programs. Work from home success. Hey there, fellow hustlers. Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 grind? Well, I have something amazing to share with you today. Imagine making $550 per day without leaving your home, all by leveraging the power of free Google programs and certifications. Yes, you heard that right. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to master one of the most in-demand skills and start working from home, earning big bucks right away. Step 1. Unleash the power of Google's learning programs. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about the incredible opportunity presented by Google's learning programs. Head over to the Grow with Google website, your gateway to a world of knowledge and career growth. Just type grow.google.com in your browser, or search for Grow with Google on Google itself. Once you're there, click on Explore Training and Tools to unveil a treasure trove of learning opportunities. Step 2. Discover the Google Project Management Certificate. Now, here's the secret sauce: the Google Project Management Certificate. Although it's not listed as a filter option, which is a bit of a pity, Google, fear not. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Load More until you unveil the hidden gem. Then use the Control F or Command F shortcut and search for project. Boom, you've found it. The Google Project Management Certificate. Click on the arrow next to it and get ready for an exciting journey. Step 3. Unleash your project management potential. Let's talk about what you can achieve with this certificate. Over 1.1 million people have already taken this course, which means it's legit. The best part? It's beginner friendly, so you don't need any prior experience. And guess what? You can complete it at your own pace from anywhere in the world. So, whether you're in New York or New Delhi, you can tap into the power of project management. Step 4. Unlock lucrative opportunities. Now here's where it gets exciting. By becoming a certified project manager, you open the door to a world of opportunities. Did you know that there are over 700,000 job openings in the US alone in project management? That's right. Every company needs someone with these skills, especially the small ones. They need someone to track deadlines, improve efficiency, and prevent overspending. With an average annual salary of 77 grand, you're just a stone's throw away from a six-figure income. Step 5. Mastering project management tools. Now, let's talk about mastering the tools of the trade. As a project manager, you'll need to familiarize yourself with popular project management platforms like Asana, ClickUp, Trello, and Monday.com. Luckily, these platforms offer free training resources to enhance your skills. By specializing in one tool initially, you can build a solid foundation and later expand your expertise to other platforms. Remember, becoming a pro in one is better than being mediocre in many. Step 6. Monetizing your skills as a project management pro. Alright, it's time to turn your newly acquired project management skills into cold hard cash. There are several ways to monetize your expertise. You can choose to offer your services as a freelancer, or even build your own agency. It's all about finding the path that aligns with your goals and aspirations. Step 7. The freelancer's goldmine, Fiverr. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a freelancer's goldmine, Fiverr. This popular freelance platform allows you to showcase your project management prowess and earn a handsome income. The key is to productize your services. Instead of charging by the hour, offer fixed price packages for specific outcomes. This way, clients know exactly what they'll get, and you can maximize your earnings. Step 8. Crafting irresistible service packages. Let's dig deeper into creating irresistible service packages on Fiverr. Imagine offering your expertise in ClickUp, for example. You could provide services like account setup, workflow optimization, and automation wizardry. Price your packages based on the value you provide, ranging from basic setups to comprehensive project management solutions. Step 9. Success stories and strategies. Now, let's look at some real success stories and strategies to inspire you. Meet Laura, a ClickUp specialist who started offering basic setups for $240. Within months, he expanded his offerings and now earns over $600 a day thanks to his premium project management packages. Skyrocket your income with an agency. But why stop freelancing? If you're ambitious and ready to take things to the next level, consider building your own project management agency. Imagine assembling a team of talented professionals and delivering top-notch project management services to clients worldwide. The sky's the limit when you have the skills and the drive to make it happen. Conclusion: your path to freedom and success. So, there you have it. Your path to freedom and success as a project management pro. Start by enrolling in the Google Project Management Certificate, master a project management tool, and unleash your expertise on platforms like Fiverr. With determination, hard work, and the right strategies, you can achieve financial independence and the flexibility to work from anywhere. Thank you for joining me today on this exciting journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future opportunities. Remember, success is within your reach. each. Now go out there and conquer the world of project management.